Hi there, it's Dev Bilal. Today we are going to learn how you can customize the login page, how you can make changes in these buttons, etc. text, and how you can change the images, etc. First of all, let's discuss about the text of these buttons. You need to go to Toolbox and Menu Manager, then find login page sign up buttons that is here. So if you find it here, you can click on edit, but we don't have it here. I will customize. Now these are those two buttons. Nota register user, create free user account. So I will say Nota register and I will make it checkout 3. Okay, I will make it checkout 2. Okay, save changes. Okay, now it has come from here to here because we have make our changes here. I will click on edit again. Let's refresh the page. It will change the text. Okay, so the text is changed. Okay, the text is changed. So but the text is in two lines, so we need to reduce a word. Let's remove one word from here, local. Okay, the question is how you come to know about the checkout 2, checkout 3 and checkout 1, how you can come to know that from where these links are coming. These links are coming from membership plan. In the membership plan, every membership plan have ID. This is checkout 5, checkout 4, checkout 3, checkout 2 and checkout 1. Okay, so that's how you can make them. You can also create a new membership plan. We will discuss it in the coming upcoming videos. Let's refresh. Okay, now it's here. So how you can change the image and the text? You need to go to web page builder. This is the login page. Okay, click on edit. These are those two text lines. Okay, so that are here. That's how you can change the text. And when you go to hero section, you can replace the image from here. You need to find an image of 1800 width and 600 height. I will click on replace image, upload image, drop file. I will select the image, back to all media. I will select the image, save changes, refresh the page. Okay, the image is changed and but the image is not completely visible. So let's adjust it from padding. I will display top padding 200 and bottom padding 100, and the text color of these two text I will make them black. This is the main title font. I will make it black. Subtitle font I will make it black as well. Let's save changes. Because the image is white background and the text is also white, so that's why I change the text. Now it will change the color of text. Okay, oh no, it's not looking good still. Let's do another thing, like let's display overlay color 4 and make the title white. Click on choose as well. Okay, I will save changes. Let's see what comes up. Okay, now it's looking good. That's how you can modify your page. How you can add or remove banner here. You can go to setting and design setting. If you want to remove it or if you want to replace this banner in the top header or in the footer, you can simply go to design setting and click on banner ads. This is the header banner ad. You can make it disable. You can replace the image as well and make it linkable to something else. I will remove the footer as well. Let's save changes. Refresh the page. Sorry, this one. Okay, in order to remove this banner ad, you need to go to design setting and click on banner ads. Here you will find header banner ad, below header banner ad, footer banner ad. So I will disable both, this one as well and this disable as well. So I have already uploaded them here, that's why it was displaying, but now I don't need them anymore. Refresh the page. Okay, so it's gone. So how you can change these text, login now or these text? So for that purpose you need to go to text labels, settings, and text labels. This is the one way. The second way is to, okay, how you can change these text, login now text, and this text, and these placeholder text, how you can change them. In order to change them, you can click on plus sign. Okay, so this is a label member login. You can click on it in a new tab, and this is the text label of email address, password label. Okay, and this is the forgot password label. Click to reset password label. Okay, that's how you can make them changes. So this is member login. I will say business login, save changes. So it is saying email address. I will say only email, save changes. Your password, save changes. Forgot password. I will say let's add three question marks. This is only for the testing. Click to reset password. Reset your password. I will add a word reset here. Okay, let's refresh the page now. So it will make changes according to that one. Okay, so business login, forgot password, click to reset your password. So that's how you can make changes. Okay, so these text labels, name at your site.com, you can also search them here in the text label. For example, this is saying name at the rate your site.com. You need to write it name. So this is that one. I will say email.com. Okay, okay, if I want to change enter password to something else, I will search here enter password. Okay, so this is the enter password, it comes up, and I will say write password. Okay, save changes. So now refresh the page. Okay, email.com, write password. So that's how you can make changes in them. If you want them, if you want to edit or add more fields in it, if you want to customize the form, you can click on toolbox form manager. You can search login. Okay, so this is the member login form. You can click on customize. If you don't find it here, you can find it here in the below. Okay, so this is the form. These are the fields, email and password. If you want make them not required, okay, so you can make them from here as well. If you want to add more fields, you can write them, but you should not make any changes in here. The reason why this is a dynamic field, that is letting the admin to member to login and to go to his dashboard. So that's how you can make changes in them as well. If I don't want email compulsory, I can make it required, etc. So that's how you can make changes or add fields here as well. But it's my suggestion, if you don't know coding or if you don't know the backend, you should not add anything here. So that's how you can customize member login page of your website. If you want to get help with your Brilliant Directories website, you can let us know. We are here to help. Tech Metaverse.